How to have two accounts on Brawl Stars. Hey, what's up? Want to experiment with a fresh start in Brawl Stars or try out different strategies without affecting your main account? Luckily, it's super easy to have two Brawl Stars accounts and switch between them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Let's go. Yes, you can have two accounts in Brawl Stars. Whether you're using an Android phone, tablet, iPhone, or iPad, this process works. What you'll need: a unique Supercell ID for each account, a separate email address for each ID. You can create free ones if needed. Before switching, make sure to secure your main account. Tap Settings. Look for the Supercell ID button. If it's not already linked, go ahead and link your account to a Supercell ID. When it's linked successfully, the button turns green with a check mark. In the Supercell ID settings, tap the gear icon, then hit Logout. You'll now see an option, Play without Supercell ID. Tap that. This starts a new game from scratch. Play through the tutorial. Enter your new alias and confirm your age when prompted. After playing a bit, go to Settings, then tap Supercell ID. Choose Register a Supercell ID. Enter a different email address and complete the setup. Check your inbox for a verification code, enter it, and hit OK. Choose a nickname and avatar for your profile. Once done, a switch button will appear next to Supercell ID in the menu. That's how you know the second account was added successfully. On Android, uninstalling the app clears saves Supercell IDs. On iOS, only a full device reset wipes them. If this happens, just repeat the steps to relink your accounts. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. Still stuck? Check the comments, someone else may have solved the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.